Good day, everybody. My name is Kip, and you're watching America Bumper to Bumper. Today is a one video show. This took place at the Stafford Technical Center in Rutland, Vermont. The Auto Tech program there asked everybody to bring their cars in to show the kids that there are opportunities to do stuff with the cars beyond just fixing, new Camrys and whatnots. So they wanted people to bring in their classics and show them what they could be working on. So sit back and enjoy this video. Vroom vroom. We're going to start this video off with a Chevy Malibu. This is a two-door. This body style Malibu was made from 78 to 83, and it is a great looking car. And now we're looking at around a 71 K10 Chevy pickup. This is a step side, four-wheel drive. That's what the K stands for in the Chevy terminology. C would be a two-wheel drive. Another great looking truck. Now we're walking over to this 1970 Mercury Cyclone GT. I actually know the gentleman who owns this car, and I'm hoping someday soon to do a full video on this car by itself. '32 Ford. This is a 5-window coupe. Great, the camera doesn't do the paint justice. It's got an amazing amount of metal flake in it. Absolutely gorgeous, nice upgraded interior from what would have been in there. Now we get to take a look at this beautiful black 56 Corvette. This would be the C1 generation. C2s didn't come out until 63. I do like the dual headlights rather than the quads of the later ones. This, I gotta say, and I apologize, I'm not sure what this is. I know it's a 30s, early 40s. I don't know if it's a Chevy though. Pretty sure I know the owner, and I'm sure she will fill me in. Now we're looking at a 65 GT 350, a Shelby. Great looking car. 1959 Chevy El Camino. Love the flames on the air cleaner. Interior again, much nicely upgraded from what would have been in there. And a really, really nice wood bed. And here's a 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe. Nice street rod. 1980 Olds Cutlass Supreme. And there's another Olds. This one is a 65 Olds 442. Love the rally wheels on this one. And this is a 1967 Shelby GT 350H. The H and the color scheme on this car was specific to, Hertz rent-a-cars. Back in the day, you could actually rent it was called Rent a Racer, and it was a it's a 68, not a 67. 68, you could rent an actual Shelby Mustang to drive around. Now we're looking at a Ford F1 panel truck. Late 40s, very early 50s. Again, I'm not 100% sure on the exact date of this one. But it is gorgeous. The paint is amazing on this this truck. And now we're looking at a 1983 Mustang. This is 5-liter. This is probably a carbureted. I'm not sure if it was fuel injected in 83 or whether it was 84, but a great original car. Now we've got a 66 Mustang GT. And I love the ponies on the seats. If you saw that, you go back and pause that. 1963 Ford Fairlane 500. Not often nowadays do you see 5-door or 4 doors being restored or loved as much, but as you can know by my car, love a 4-door, love being able to have more people going around with us. 64 Chevy C10 custom pickup. This truck actually was one of the winners of this car show. The other one was the GT 350H and the Ford Fairlane 500 that was right next to this one. Those were all the 3 top award winners. These were all picked by the students and the instructors and teachers at this school. And here's a Challenger RT. I have talked to this owner of this car previously. I know that this is a very specific color, but do not remember what it is. And now we're looking at a Camaro. This one is 74, 75, somewhere in that range. Great. I love the dark green paint on it. It looks wonderful. Audi Allroad. Allroad was the vehicle that Audi tried to compete with the Subaru Outback. See, it's got a V6 biturbo, which means 2 turbos. Great looking Audi. 1976 Corvette Stingray. You can tell the owner of this car is a very patriotic person, with all the flags, plus you'll see in a second in the back window. And we do thank all of our veterans for everything they've done for us. This is a SN95 Mustang Cobra. Love the aftermarket headlights on this one. This is a Mini Cooper S. And we have Zelda. 1973 VW Super Beetle. The Super Beetle, see there, it's got the rounded windshield compared to the regular Beetles. Plus, this had McPherson struts in the front rather than. Honestly, I don't remember what they had before, but that's the 2 main differences between a regular Beetle and a Super Beetle. Another Mustang. This is I'm not sure if it's current generation or the one just previous, but great color. I love the hood stripe. Fantastic car. Final vehicle in this video is Riviera. This is 63, 64, somewhere in that era, that range. Not 100% sure which one, but it is an amazing car. I love the lines, the roof line, everything is just amazing on it. Thank you for watching this video of the Stafford Tech Center car show. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are being posted. Finally, keep track of all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because there's going to be stuff on there that you may not see here on the YouTube channel. Have a day. Hopefully it's a good one.